Hello dear students, today the topic of the class is deriving closed loop voltage gain AF for inverting amplifier with feedback. In the previous classes we have understood what's an inverting amplifier in open loop and also in closed loop. So here by the end of this video class you will be easily able to do the derivation of voltage gain AF for an inverting amplifier with feedback. What is the other name of inverting amplifier with feedback? It is voltage shunt feedback amplifier. So coming to the circuit diagram, why this circuit is known as inverting amplifier? It's very clear. Now you can easily answer it, yes, because we are having input V in at minus terminal of the op amp and plus terminal, that is a non-inverting terminal, is grounded. So it is inverting configuration or inverting amplifier with feedback because a part of output is taken back to the input through the feedback resistor RF. So there is a connection between output back to the input. So there is a feedback path. So we say this amplifier, inverting amplifier with feedback. So I hope that it is clear. Why it's inverting? Because input is at minus terminal and output is connected back to the input. So it is known as feedback. What is open loop gain? We are having two equations, one is open loop gain and closed loop gain. What is open loop gain? Gain is output by input. What is output here? V0. What is the input here? VID, that is a difference input voltage as we have seen in the previous class. What is VID? VID is written as V1 minus V2. So on rewriting the terms, on rearranging the terms, we will get V1 minus V2 is equal to V0 by A. What is V1 voltage? As it is connected to ground, V1 is 0 volts. So V1 is 0. So what is V2 now? Minus V0 by A. So we got V2 equation as minus V0 by A. Now coming to the closed loop voltage gain AF, how it is obtained? By applying KCL at node B. What is KCL? The current entering is equal to current leaving. What is current entering here? I in. What is current leaving? IB2 and IF. So I have written the KCL at node B. I in is equal to IB2 plus IF. What is IB2? It is an input base current which is very small. Why it is small? Because Ri, the input resistance Ri is very large. The input bias current Ib is negligible. For 741C, how much is Ri? It is around 2 mega ohms. And so Ib is very small value which is equal to 0.5 microamperes. So now in this KCL equation, Ib2 can be neglected. What is Ib? What is IB? IB is equal to IB1 plus IB2 by 2. So IB is very negligible value. So this IB2 is also neglected. We get the equation after neglecting IB. IN is approximated to IF. Now what is IN? I is equal to here V by R. What is I here? V in minus V2 by R1. And what is IF? V2 minus V0 by RF. This is what is I? I is equal to V by R. What is I value there? V in minus V2 by R1 and IF is equal to V2 minus V0 by RF, which I have written it here. What is V2? V2 is equal to minus V0 by A. Substituting equation 3 into equation 6. We get equation 7. So I have substituted V2 as minus V0 by A. On rearranging the terms, I get this equation, and I have written it in the form of AF. What is AF? AF is equal to V naught by V in. What is AF? Closed loop gain. Closed loop gain is equal to V naught by V in. So, after simplifying this equation, we are getting AF is equal to minus ARF by R1 plus RF plus AR1. This gain equation is known as exact equation. Now, as you know, what is A here? Large gain. So, this AR1 is very large compared to R1 plus RF. So, AR1 is very large. So, what happens now to this denominator part? It can be approximated to AR1. So, this denominator part is approximated to AR1. On cancelling AA, we get gain equation as minus RF by R1. So, what is AF coming now? Minus RF by R1, which is known as ideal equation. What is negative sign indicating here? The negative sign is indicating the output voltage V naught and input voltage V in are out of phase by 180 degree. I hope the derivation is clear. Before closing the video, I would like to summarize the 4 important equations here. One is open loop gain, capital A. Capital A is equal to V naught by VID. Closed loop gain AF, V naught by V in, which is coming to be as minus ARF by R1 plus RF plus AR1, exact equation. And on putting the approximation, we get the ideal equation of AF is equal to minus RF by R1. I hope the derivation is clear for inverting amplifier with feedback. For any queries and feedback, you can post in comments. Thank you for watching. Good luck, students.